My name is G. Veera Reddy, lecturer in computer science, JVR Government Degree College, Sattupalli, Khammam district. Today, my topic is software engineering. Paper is software engineering. In the software engineering, in the UG syllabus, this is the unit 2. Our first topic is 4 P's. 4 P's: people, project, product, and process. The end results of a software project is a product that is shaped by many different type of people as it is developed. After completion, software project product that shaped many different type of people as it is developed, guiding the effort of the people involved in the project in a software development process. A template that explains the steps needed to complete the project. Typically, the process is automated by tool or set of tools below figure. This will use the terms people, project, product, and process with the tools which we defined as follows. First one is people. The architect, developers, testers, and their supporting management, pulse users, customers, and their stakeholders, overall who developed and use the software are the prime movers in the software project. People are actual human beings as opposed to the abstract construct of workers, which we will introduce later on. Here, basically, a software development process, people are the main role. The developers, testers, they are all the people supporting managements, users, customers, and stakeholders, prime movers, project people, workers. These are all the people who developed the software. Here, next one is project. The organizational elements through which software development is managed. The organizational elements through which software development is managed. The outcome of a project is a released product. Product means it is a project developed by people by using lot of set of tools. Finally, project will outcome. Product. Artifacts that are created during the life of the project, such as models, appendix A or something, anything, source code, executables and documentation. This is the product. Process. A software engineering process is a definition of the complete set of activities needed to transform user requirements into a product. A software engineering process is a definition of the complete set of activities needed to transform user requirements into a product. A process is a template of creating projects. A process is a template for creating projects. Here, process is main important. We have a people, software, hardware and tools. This combination ready to do the process in a particular way to get the good software or good product. Here in a process, templates is used to creating the projects. Tools, software that is used to automate the activities defined in the process. In a process, number of tools can be used is the one of the component. Here we see in the figure project, people, process, product, tools. Here project, people, participants, product will come the result. Project in a process using the templates and tools. Tools automation will done. First of all, people participates to develop a project. Process using templates and carry from tools. The tools automated generated by what the project needs, and then in a processing the project will complete and the result will come by product. This is the image of people, process, project and product. Next topic is W5HH principle. W5HH means it is a principle. It is a different and funny name, but it is to design practically the W5HH principle outlines a series of questions that can help project managers more efficiently manage software projects. Each letter in W5HH standards for question in the series of questions help a project manager lead. Notice there are 5 W questions and 2 H questions. Here main W5HH means it is a funny sound to spoke. It is designed practically by using these questions. W5HH means it is a 5 W questions and 2 HH questions. Here we see W in a table format, W5HH, the question, that is meaning, that's meaning. Why, first question is why, W, why. Why is the system being developed? Why is system being developed? Why you want to being developed a system? This meaning, this focus a term on the business reasons for developing the software. It focus the term on the business reasons for developing the software. Business reasons for developing the software. What will be done? The second question is what will be done? This is guiding principle in determining the tasks. This is the guiding principle in determining the tasks that needed to be completed. This is what. When will it be complete? This includes important milestones and the timeline for the project. When? Here, when will it be complete? When will it be complete? The project, when the project is complete. Here, what will be done? What task to be completed? Here, when the task to be completed or when the project to be completed. Important milestone and the timeline for the project. It is a timeline for the project. Each project must have the timeline, that is a deadline or milestones of that project. This is the when. Why, what, when. Then who is responsible for each function. This is where you determine which terms, number, tasks, on which responsibility. You may also identify external stakeholders with a claim in the project. Who is responsible for each function? Who is the responsible? Each function must have a responsible person to organize this project. When? Where? Next, where? Where are they organizational located? This step gives you time to determine what other stakeholders have a role on the project and where they are found. Here, determine that their stakeholders have a role in this project and where they are found. That is the where. Here we see in why, what, when 3 and who, where 5. Total 5 W's and 2 HH. The H question starts. How will the job be done technically and managerially. In this step, again, how will the job be done technically and managerially? In this step, a strategy developing the software and managing the project is concluded upon. In this step, strategy for developing the software and managing the project is concluded upon. How much? How much of each resource is needed? The goal of this step is to figure out the amount of resource necessary to complete the project. How much resources or finance or anything of each resource is needed. Okay. Is a goal or figure or amount of resource necessary to complete the project. How much you want to complete the project. This is the 2H's, 5 W's and 2H's. This is the principle of W5HH principle. Next, risk management. Creative versus risk management. Creative versus proactive risk management. Risk strategies. Reactive versus proactive risk strategies usually refer to two different approaches of risk management. Reactive risk management. It is one of the old approaches in risk management. In this case, usually is one of the old approaches of risk management. In this case, usually the resources which can be utilized during the occurrence of risk and maintained separately. As and when the risks are encountered, these resources are utilized to nullify them. In the risk are certainly more strong, such that they are intolerable even whole applying these resources. Then the project is moved to crisis management team, where they strive to rigorously to overcome these risks. This approaches is also referred as firefighting mode. Proactive risk management. Consider the following thought: prevention is better than cure. Proactive risk strategies is one of the risk management strategy which consider the above thought to be fundamental hypothesis. In this case, document is prepared by starting all the portable risks which are going to be encountered throughout the project even before the project begins. This is proactive risk management. In this proactive risk management, the consider the following thought is prevention is better than cure. Proactive risk strategies is one of the risk management strategy which should consider the above thought to be fundamental hypothesis. In this case, a document is prepared by starting all the potential risks are going to be encountered throughout the project even before the project begins. The document also specifies the impact of these risks on the project along with their priorities. Later, another document was detailed of method favoring of avoiding these risks are these risks are outlined. It has to be notified that we cannot get the ride on the risk completely. Hence, this document helps us only to drive these risks effectively to its lowest level. The document also specifies the impact of the risks, the project along with their priorities. Later, another document was detailed of method favoring in avoiding these risks are outlined. It has to be notified that we cannot get rid of risk completely. Hence, this document helps us to only to drive these risks effectively to its lowest level. Software risks is general terms. Risk can have two important characteristics. If risk occurs, there are definite causes. Occurrence of risk in uncertain. In order to analyze if risk occurs, there are definite causes. Occurrence of risks is uncertain. In order to analyze the consequences and occurrences of risk following the different categories of risks. In these categories, first one is business, second one is project risk, third one is technical risk. First one is business risk. In this business risk often goes anti to the success of software. The risks are of many type details of this standard below. First, business. In this business risk, we have sublines. 4 sublines. First one is market risk. A product with high valued features, but it is no way useful to even a common person is referred as market risks. It is a market risk. It is a high valued features, but no way useful of even common person. It is no use for common person. It is a market risk. Sales risk. If a sale risk occurs and the people responsible for the marketing of given product do not understand the terminology of marketing product. If sale risk occurs and the people responsible for the marketing of given product do not understand the terminology of marketing product, this is a sales risk. Sales risk usually occurs when there are no definite purpose of developing given product. Budget risk. The product which is unable to reach the specified amount of budget. The product which is unable to reach the specified amount of the budget. Strategic risk. A product which is unable to satisfy complete requirements of given organization. product which is unable to satisfy complete requirements of a given organization. Management risk, the product which is unable to earn the attention from senior management risks. The second one is, first one is the marketing business risk, second one is the project risk. Here second one is the project risk. If project risk becomes inevitable, then it is defined that the project development works will extend the scheduled time. This causes systematic rise in project cost. Systematic rise. In worst condition, project risk will wrap almost all the entities involving in the project development of the organization. Next one, technical risk. Technical risk introduce the problems which are not easy to solve, hence delaying the project estimated completing time, increasing cost and making the project unimplementable. It can affect various other entities like verification problem, implementation problem, maintenance problem, interface problem. These are the problems, and also it may have various other effects such as technical uncertainty, specification ambiguity. Okay, here technical risk. Second one is the project risk. Second one is the project risk. First one is the business risk, second one is the project risk. In a project risk, if project risk become a inevitable, then they define that the project development work will extend the scheduled time. It is a project time, project cost and worst condition project risk will wrap almost all the entities involving the project development of the organization. It is the project risk. Technical risk is easy to solve. It is not easy to solve, hence delaying the project estimate and completing time and cost and project implementation and various other entities like verification problem, implementation problem, maintenance problem, interface problem, technical uncertainty, specification ambiguity. If the problem occurs, the number of elements in this or entities in this risks, different risks. It may be maintenance problem, verification problem. If the program is the project is completed, a technical problem occurs. Where the technical problem occurs, if a technical person can be on the leave or technical support is not possible, or implementation problem, maintenance problem, re-verification problem, technical, if the technical support is available but the where the problem is occurs is not identified, then at that time technical uncertainty will occurs, and finally specialization, the total uncertainty will occurs. This is the problem or technical risks. In the technical risks, there is no way to move forwardly. Okay, this is the technical risks. Apart from above mentioned risks, a software project can face certain other risks. Predictable risks. These were the risks which occurred in the past projects. Unpredictable risks. These are the risks which may occur all at once. It is extremely difficult to release the risks prior. Unknown risks. These are the risks which can be known only when we make close. Inspiration of project plan, business and technical proximity of the project and resources. These are the other risks. Risk identification. In general, since risks are nothing but the probable threats expected to be faced by the given software project. Before going deep into the concept, let us first analyze two important concepts that is known as predicatable risks. Known risks. Known risks are usually measured by closing risk identification. In general sense, risks are nothing but the probable threats expected by the forced by given software project. Before going deep into the concept, let us first analyze two important concept that is known as predicatable risks. Known risk. Known risk usually measured by closely inspecting the given project plan and also other crucial aspects of project such as its business. It known risks we are not inspecting regularly, you are not closed with the project, the known risks is occurred because by every second, every project, every component or every concept must be attend or inspecting regularly in the project plan and also implementation. Technical victory and also various other authentic information sources. These are all the known risks where the risk is occurs. We will learn. Okay, predicatable risks. They are the risks which were encountered in past. Apart from above mentioned categories, a given project manager further experience to board category of risks, generic risk and product specific risks. In this generic risks lower down the software quality and can act major source of threat to the success of the product. Predicatable risk. In the predicatable general risk lower down to the software quality can be act major source of threat to the success of the product. Here all are the terms members capable of dealing with the project are the top order development officials and their customers, representatives committed to go on with the product. This is the generic risk. Main generic risk means the quality lower down to the quality. This is the generic risk of the software. Here we seen the risk identification. In this risk identification, where the risk can be identified and analyzed to important the analyze, to important the analyze and important the concept known predicatable risks. The known risks, in known risks where the risk is occurs, if you do any work where the problem is occurs, we know. At the same time we do a project where the general risks or known risks occurs, we know. You may inspecting regularly and you can follow up the uncertainty or risks, face the risks, predicatable risks and generic risk. In generic, predicatable risks are apart from the above mentioned categories. Project manager further express two broad categories of risks: the product specific risks. In these risks, general risks are the fall down the software quality, source the success of the product. This is the general risks. Continue to the next class. Thank you.